Let me speak to the part of you that's tired. That part that's tired not from work, not from life, but tired of pretending to be okay, tired of pretending that you know what you're doing, tired of pretending that you aren't slowly coming unraveled in your heart and your home. If you're feeling exhausted and disconnected like a stranger in your house, I gotta tell you, you're not broken, you're not weak, and you're definitely not alone. In fact, you may have lost something more important than your marriage. You may have lost yourself, and it's really more common than you think. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your happy man coach, and good men, smart men, successful, well intended men slip into this pace slowly. Not because they're bad husbands, but because we were never taught how to lead with emotional clarity and calm presence. Let me show you 3 signs that you've lost touch with your internal leadership. First of all, you don't know what you want anymore. You've been locked into reaction mode, trying to fix and solve and avoid conflict and keep her happy. And somewhere along the way, your vision disappeared. Your preferences got buried. Your passion got parked. Now you're not even sure what you want. You just know that this isn't it. And the ache you feel, that part of you that's been muted for too long, is crying out. The second sign is that you avoid speaking your truth. You've become an expert in editing. You walk on eggshells, you measure your words, you manage her moods instead of managing your mission. But every time you hide what you feel, when you soften what you want, or water down who you are just to avoid emotional flare up, you abandon your integrity. You become the tail getting wagged by someone else's story. You stop leading. You start reacting. And eventually, you forget what it feels like to be a man who knows who he is. The third sign is that you can't remember the last time you felt powerful. Not powerful over her, not dominant. I'm talking about power, the power of presence. That quiet, grounded, steady confidence that says, I know who I am and I've got this. You used to feel it before the tension and the silence, before the endless loop of trying to be enough. That version of you, the man with clarity and purpose and direction, he's still in there. He's just been buried under years of trying to make everything okay for everyone else. So, how do you get back to him? Well, here's what I'll tell you. You don't need rage. You don't need to run. And you sure as hell don't need your wife's permission. What you need is to stop the self-betrayal. You need to stop waiting for her to make you feel strong again. You need to start standing in the man you were always meant to be. This is what I help men do every single week. And I want to help you do it too. You may feel lost right now, but I promise you, you're not gone. So let's find you again. Go to happymancoaching.com and book a private Happy Man coaching call with me. Let's cut to the heart of what's really going on and get clear about what you really want for yourself in your marriage. I guarantee you that after that call, you'll feel calmer, more confident, and grounded, knowing that you don't need anyone's approval to be the man you were born to be. In addition to that call, I'll also introduce you to my community of men who are reclaiming themselves every day. Because remember, you're not alone. I'll also tell you how you can join our group calls. And if you're ready to feel like a vibrant, alive, happy man again, book that call, and I'll talk to you soon.